Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to be notified of future episodes. Friday morning, we got in last night. Well, actually we got in this morning at 5 AM New Zealand time. And I don't think I've ever seen the queue dock quite so busy. I've counted, I think 13 were double stacked, but yeah, they're all the way down this side and all the way down that side. It's nice to be back, and it's a beautiful day. Lovely Brian on board, who is doing our biosecurity. We've got all our rubbish in here on the passage. He's filling out the paperwork.
For a total of 1 tomato and 2 cucumbers.
And we're mean.
Cutting edge biosecurity here.
we give nothing away, Brian. Nothing.
The meat thing isn't an issue, so it negated most of my questions. Okay, cool. So thank you for being so well organised.
That's okay. Thank you for
having next to nothing.
Doing an awesome job.
So I'll give you full biosecurity clearance now. Thank you very
Lovely,
much.
thank you. Saturday morning, very early.
Yeah.
We've hired a car.
Going to KeriKeri to the market.
KeriKeri, yeah. And we're taking the gas bottles. And it looks like we're taking Donald. Is he coming as well?
No.
You reckon?
Donald and Daffy.
You coming, mate? Don't let me buy any knickknacks. Don't buy any knickknacks, Joe. After the fairly limited options available in both Tonga and Fiji, the market was something of a sensory overload. We stocked up big style, including avocados, which we hadn't seen in the 6 months since we left New Zealand. We are out of the slip, just left, and we are heading to Russell. Carol and Dennis on Evergreen have got a mooring there, and they're very kindly said that we can use it for a few days. Engines off. Well, we normally have a bottle of fizz after a crossing.
We've been very slack this time.
We have been very slack because we've sort of been hanging out with other people, and we ended up going to the bar and having a red wine. So we thought tonight, it's our first night out swinging on a mooring since we arrived, so we thought we would crack the fizz. It's a beautiful evening. Cheers, my darling.
Cheers, good health.
Cheers. Here's to us. Finally celebrating. And what do we do on a day off? We go sailing on somebody else's boat. We're on True Companions this morning. Karen's in the galley putting the kettle on. Ooh. Mike and Karen, our friends on True Companions, had a new spinnaker they wanted to try out. So they picked us up from our mooring, and along with Rachel and Ellis, our friends from ski, we had a fun day out on the water. It's always nice when somebody else drives for a change. The new sail was duly hoisted and was deemed to be a great success. There you go. Lovely. Nice.
It's been a busy day. Yeah, we've had Vitor on the boat, and he's fixed our accelerator linkage on the port side that was leaking oil, so there's a new O-ring on there. And we've tweaked the engines, all the throttle and going in and out of gear stuff, so that has been adjusted and is now behaving properly.
End of a busy day. We've got our cocktail balls frying. The curry sauce with asparagus and peas that's going to go over the top of them. Big pan of rice on the side. And outside we have a beautiful sunset to boot. Morning. I've just got up, you can tell. And I'm getting the breakfast ready. And I see a little head pop up on the back deck. The duck saga has started. You can't come to New Zealand without having visitors. Champagne sailing. Mind you, the wind's just dropped to 8 knots, so. Moving in a forwards direction. Champion. Anchor down at Urupukapuka Island. actually an insane person swimming over there. It's a beautiful day, but water's probably about 15 degrees. Personally, I think he wants his head red. I was just pointing out the madman swimming while we're wearing tracksuit bottoms, hats, jumpers, cardigans.
I'd forgotten how beautiful New Zealand anchorages were.
They certainly are.
Yeah, very pretty.
We've never been to this one before either.
No, we've been to the one next door, but not here.
Some trails we can do, that'll be exciting. We're going for a tramp, as they say in Aotearoa. We're going to do the Urupukapuka around the island, which is going to take us about 5 hours. We'll have lunch with us, because obviously certain members of the crew can't go anywhere for that long without there being 3 meals involved.
About 1 hour is my limit. Between snacks.
It's a lovely day for it.
Beautiful.
So the Paradise Bay Loop Track and OTEHEI Bay. We're here. So I think we might just head off and go. We're going to go down, back and around like that. 5 minutes in, he's already got a stone in his shoe. All right there, dear.
Yeah,
great. Tramping is the delightful Kiwi term for hiking, bushwalking or rambling. It's officially defined as a recreational activity involving walking over rough country. I know I'm going to say this too soon, there hasn't been too much uphill so far.
No. We've worked out the code on the little map thing. Red is advanced, so we're
That's the bit we walked up from the beach.
We're doing green with an occasional orange. That's our style of walking.
Urupukapuka is the largest island in the Bay of Islands of New Zealand, and it's one of our favourites. It is absolutely stunning. It has a range of habitats and is a breeding area for the brown teal and the New Zealand dotterel. It's also one of New Zealand's most significant archaeological islands, with at least 8 pa sites. A pa being a Maori village or a hill fort. But we are here. This is where DT is. Look at that. Shower on the beach. Gotta love the Department of Conservation, eh?
Yeah, good.
What a beautiful bay.
Very nice. Hot shower.
Hot? It's not hot.
It's a top.
Oh, is it hot? I was going to say things are looking up with the DOC. Project Island Song has eradicated the pests such as rats, mice and stoats from the island. Once the pests were clear, they have released the rare North Island robin, saddleback and whitehead onto the island. Picnic tables nonetheless. OTEHEI Bay is where the day ferries arrive, so it has a cafe and a bar area. Cool. The picnic tables scattered around made it a very civilised place to stop for lunch. Where we could have had a cup of tea, but the walking wallet didn't bring his wallet. Via the Cliff Pa is 4 hours. I find that terribly reassuring at the start of the track. It's downhill from here.
You lead on, Zoe.
Yeah, thanks for that. That's the trouble with this walk. You think you're going to do the loop walk and then there's all these little side trails that are just too good to miss. And no tramp in New Zealand would be worth its salt without a few sheep. Over the course of 2 days we walked, or should I say tramped, every track on the island. With the exception of OTEHEI Bay, we hardly met another soul. The weather was perfect, and we enjoyed every single bay and lookout on this stunning island. baby ducklings. Hello, baby ducklings.
I think they're the rare ones.
Oh, they're so cute.
They're like native or something.
Hello, and there's Mama Duckling. Oh, hello. Oh, how cute are they? And we're going to walk up that way. Oh, I made it to the end of the peninsula. Pretty beautiful. That was a really nice walk. We've got quinoa, roasted broccoli, chickpeas, carrots, celery, yellow peppers. Can't think what else we've got in there. Cucumber, and we've got a spicy peanut sauce here. And we're going to put this all into a box because we're going for a picnic, aren't we?
We are.
Going on a jolly. Actually, we're going for a picnic, an evening picnic.
Yes.
Making the most of the sun. I say, how civilised.
Rather nice.
Shall I step off and tie us on, darling?
If you don't mind, that would be lovely.
Elegance. No.
Just there's a cleat down here, Jan. Just round that rope.
Oh, so there is.
It's the rain.
Yeah, I brought my rain jacket. It is actually raining as well. Ah, it's a passing shower, darling.
Yeah, nothing to worry about.
Oh, look, it's all very posh, isn't it? Eh? Thought we'd come and watch the sunset from up here. And the light is just totally different. It's beautiful. Dinner time. There's an avocado there as well. That was a jolly nice way to spend an evening, wasn't
It
it?
was fabulous.
Jolly lovely.
Very nice.
I have to say, the wind's got a bit of a chill to it now that the sun's gone down.
Yes.
It's gorgeous, isn't it? The birdsong's just beautiful. No, just keep to the middle. Ooh, that's a big one. That's closer than I thought it was. Well, that was a lovely evening, wasn't it?
Very nice.
Just beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tune in next week for what is now referred to as the Day of the Dolphins. If you're enjoying our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and please leave us a comment below. See you next time.